Nowadays, there are tons of applications that offer subscriptions, and a huge amount of them offer a free 1-month trial to make you register and download their application, and then proceed to charge you after your trial period. Some applications remind you that your trial period is expired before they charge you, and some applications don't. Thankfully, you can easily check all of your subscriptions on your iPhone and cancel anything before you get charged without you knowing. Apple wanted to make it easier to view all your subscriptions and recurring charges through your Apple ID subscription manager. So if you want to cancel a subscription before your free trial is over, or you simply want to cancel a subscription, or check all of them, here is a simple guide on how to do so. First, open the settings on your iPhone. Then tap your name and Apple ID at the very top. Once you click that, you will see your Apple ID information. Click on Subscriptions. From there, Apple will provide a list of all your active subscriptions and also information on their next billing date. Tap the application you want to cancel. After reviewing the details and you still want to cancel the subscription, just tap Cancel Subscription, then confirm it. Sometimes, if you're still on your free trial period for that application, it will show Cancel Free Trial instead. You can select that and confirm. Once you cancel an application's subscription, they will now appear under the Expired section on the list, so you will still be able to track all of your past subscriptions and renew them again if you want to. Take note that all these subscriptions are the ones registered on the current Apple ID you're using. So if you have multiple accounts, then it is better to check all of your subscriptions in each of them. It's also a good idea to double check the billing cycle first before you cancel the subscription. For instance, if you cancel a music streaming application subscription on the 26th and it gets renewed every first day of the month, then you will still have access to the application for a few more days until your current paid subscription is expired. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to click like and subscribe and hit that notification icon below so you can watch other helpful guides. Also, don't forget to check out all these other videos that we think you'll enjoy.